Touch is the stimulation of the receptor cells in the surface of your skin. When an object puts pressure on your skin, it registers on the nerves, which sends a signal to your brain. The nerves are located in the dermis level of your skin, which is the second layer of skin. Certain types of receptors adapt to touch quickly, while others register constant touch. An example of this is how you can't really feel the clothes because the receptor cells are active so often that you become used to the sensation and feel them less. On the other hand, hands have many more touch receptors than other less active parts of the body. In fact, there are about 3,000 touch receptors in each of your fingertips. Also, they are not receiving constant stimulation like the receptors where your clothes are, so they are a lot more sensitive to stimulation. Parts of the body like the elbow register virtually no stimulation because there are almost no receptors in that area. If you want to try this, try lightly touching someone's elbow when they aren't paying attention. Chances are they can't even feel it. The body registers touch based on pressure. The smallest amount of pressure that can still be registered to the brain is called the absolute threshold. The absolute threshold for touch is a bee wing falling on your cheek. This means anything smaller or lighter than that won't even register.
Pain is the physical or mental suffering caused by injury or disease. Sensations of pain can be experienced as pricking, burning, aching, stinging, or soreness. These sensations can be caused by external forces such as drugs, surgery, hypnosis, fear, joy, stress, social ritual, status, sex, social interaction, and culture. Pain is normally due to tissue injury, which can be caused by heat, cold, pressure, stretching, cutting, and piercing. Less common pain is when no tissue damage occurs, such as touching the eardrum or eyeball.
When the body experiences tissue damage, free nerve endings are triggered, which sends a signal to the spinal cord and then to the brain. There are more pain receptors than any other type, and many are found in the hands, fingers, and lips. The middle of the back is the least sensitive part of the body. Sometimes, like when you touch a hot stove, the spinal cord causes the body to move before the brain even registers the pain. Pain receptors adapt very slowly, so the body remains aware of pain over a fairly long period of time. This is actually an important function, as people need to be aware of and remove themselves from situations where tissue damage is causing pain. If pain receptors adapted more quickly, people might suffer more tissue damage. As an extreme example, some people are born without pain receptors and often injure themselves because they are less cautious about things that could cause pain.
The gate control theory of pain is the idea that if you control the amount of sensation in the area where the pain is concentrated, then you can ultimately control the amount of pain you feel. The neural pathways can only register a certain amount of pain. Therefore, if you flood the pathways to the brain with sensation, you can drown out the pain sensation. The four sensations of touch, hot, cold, pain, and pressure, are the sensations used to flood the pathways. For example, if you bump your knee and then apply pressure to the area, the neural pathways become flooded and diminish the amount of pain that reaches the brain.